room staff use the Meds, Meals, and RSVP tabs. Welcome to ChildFriendly. In this walkthrough, we'll go over the main dashboard features available for room educators. Start by selecting the dashboard icon in the upper left corner of your screen. On the dashboard, you'll notice a variety of tabs, but as a room educator, you'll see just 3. Regular Meds, School RSVP, and Meals. Other areas are restricted for admins and discussed in separate training resources. Let's begin with the Regular Meds area. This tab displays children who need medications at specific times each day, such as antibiotics taken over several days. Please note, emergency medications, like EpiPens or inhalers, are not tracked or recorded in this section. Administration of emergency, as opposed to regular medication, are treated as one-off events and are recorded directly in the child's journal using the Emergency Medication Journal Entry option. Now let's begin exploring the Regular Meds tab. Start by selecting the Upcoming sub-tab. This displays a list of all medications scheduled for today, showing each child's name, medication, assigned group, and the time it should be given. Be sure to check this section each morning to keep track of medication needs. If you want to focus on your group, use the Group filter icon, then choose your group from the menu. A list of groups with children who require medication will appear. Pick your group to see a filtered list of children. Take the Ladybugs group as an example. Click on the Do Now tab to see urgent needs. Select a child's name to open their profile. Once inside, scroll to the Health section and find the Medication area. Here, you'll see dosage instructions, timing, and any end dates for each medication. For instance, Angie's medication finishes on October 15th. After this date, it won't show on your dashboard. When done reviewing, close the profile with the side arrow. Once you administer the medication, it's important to always select the Complete button. This keeps records accurate and helps ensure no doses are missed. Be sure to enter your name, the time given, the dosage, and any notes as needed. When everything is filled in, select the green checkmark to finish. If a dose wasn't given, click Skipped and include a reason. For example, if the child went home early. Even if a dose is skipped, log it for accuracy. Select Skip, write the reason in notes, and confirm with the green checkmark. A note is required when skipping a medication. Completed or skipped entries appear in the Records tab for review at any time. Plus, a medication entry is entered into the child's journal automatically. Also note that the Past Due tab shows you any medications that are more than an hour late. That's it! You are all ready to start using this regular medication feature.